So I am the guy who uses Microsoft Edge browser almost all the time. And I'm also the guy who is telling you not to use Microsoft Edge browser. Since Edge browser has nothing to lose, Microsoft is doing really weird experiments with it. And it is affecting some users who uses Microsoft Edge browser. Like me. 11 months ago, I made this video titled Microsoft forcing us to use Edge browser again. As we know, in Windows 11, it's really difficult to switch a default browser. That was the first thing many users hated the most. And second time, Microsoft took it to the next level when they started importing browser data from other browsers to Edge without notifying the user. I was just casually using the Microsoft Edge, and one day I saw that all of my logins info were there in Microsoft Edge from the other browser that I use, the Google Chrome. So all the data and info that Google Chrome had was also available in Microsoft Edge without notifying me. So basically Microsoft Edge was just stealing data from the other browsers without users' consent. For me, this was a huge deal because I use multiple browsers for multiple different things. Again, 2 months ago, Microsoft Edge installed a Edge browser search box widget directly into my desktop, and I didn't know about this. They didn't ask me whether you wanna keep it or remove it. So it just installed. Then again, 2 weeks ago, I got this notification saying whether you wanna keep the Microsoft search box or not. At least they were asking this time, and they had this free gift card thingy in it just to impress me, or just, I don't know. So yeah, this is a little bit better approach, I think. And someone also found out that Microsoft Edge is leaking the sites you visit to the Bing. I don't know if it was intentional or just a bug or something like that, but this is a thing that was happening just recently in Microsoft Edge browser. Since Microsoft is doing crazy experiments with Microsoft Edge and its users, maybe it's intentional, but I'm not sure. This is basically like, if you use Microsoft Edge and you visit any website, Microsoft is like, we know which site you visit, because Microsoft owns the Bing. Yeah, Bing is now more popular than before because of the Bing AI thingy, so it's not a good thing. Microsoft is also forcing users to use Edge browser to use Outlook and Teams. Even if you have a default browser, something else like Chrome, Firefox, they just simply don't want you to use any other browser. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you know what the Bard AI is. It's a Google's new AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Bing Chat. If you use Edge browser to use a Bard AI, simply go to their website. It will give you a advertisement, or at least it will nag you about compare answers with the AI powered new Bing. This is basically an advertisement on others' website. This isn't the first time they did this. They have done this multiple times, and when news spreads up, they just stop it. Let me try to go to the Bard AI right now. See, now they don't have any advertisement here. Because many people hated that. And yeah, this is just like absolutely wild thing that Microsoft is doing with the Microsoft Edge and its users. I don't know what's coming next. I'm just a little bit scared of using the Edge browser myself. The most scariest thing that they did to me was importing data from other browser, because as I said again, I'm gonna say this again and again, I use multiple browsers for doing multiple different things. There is a reason why we use multiple browsers, but Microsoft decided to, no, you are not allowed to use any other browser, just use Microsoft Edge browser. And I absolutely hated that. You can't even use Microsoft Bing AI in other browsers. You have to use a Microsoft Edge. There are some extensions which enables the Bing chat on other browsers too. I'm afraid that in future, maybe all the Microsoft products will require you to have a Microsoft Edge browser. You won't be able to use them on other browsers. What if Google did the same thing? Imagine you can't watch YouTube on Edge browser. That's only fair, I think, right? It's not like Google is also clean. Actually, Google did something like that way back when the new Chromium-based Edge browser came out. They slowed down the YouTube on Edge browser. It was really slow, and Google did it intentionally. But the news spread out and they had to fix that. If this keeps happening, I think I'm gonna have to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser forcefully from my system, because I don't want to deal with these experiments again and again. So I think that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any opinion on in this topic, then please do the comment. We can have some chit chat in the comment section. Just simply tell me, what do you think about the Microsoft Edge? Did you know about all these experiments that Microsoft has been doing with the Microsoft Edge browser and also to its users? Did you? If you knew, then do the comment and just tell me, what do you think about this? And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.